Hi guys, this is Alan from YouTube. Today we are talking about that Venus, Venus physical structure. Already we uploaded the Venus related to three videos. Today I especially talk about only the physical structure of Venus only. We generally told that Venus is a two Earth's twin sister, or morning star, evening star. Many things we can do it. It's a second planet from the solar system. Mm. Mostly Venus has the same atmosphere wise, area wise, size wise. Um, Mostly it's similar to our Earth. It has a high atmospheric pressure. Compared to the Earth, it's a 92 times high atmospheres in that place. For the reason it has a its surface temperature is almost it is to 464 degrees Celsius. Uh, but uh, uh, it has a rotation wise, it's very um, slowly rotating the Venus because it rotates retrogradely. That's why the rotation speed is very slow. Some researchers told that the reason is for if maybe the any Earth like planet in the star the many billions years ago maybe collided with the Venus. That is the reason the Venus may be slowly retrogradely rotating the solar system. Some type of theories also going to that like that. Venus has no moons, and the synodic period of Venus is 1.6 years. Mm. It take almost per day complete one day night complete 116 days it takes to complete only daytime only for it takes for one day 224 earth days take to complete it. Okay. Mm, it's a very weak magnetic sphere. Uh, the Venus magnetic sphere, weak magnetosphere magnetism is not come from the its inner circulation, but it come from the solar radiation. Solar radiation. Venus has a core, mantle, and crust, but landforms. How the Venus landform is mostly 80% of the Venus landform is mostly plain volcanic surfaces also. One or three some continents are also there. One is first one is Star Terra, and the second one is Aphrodite Terra. Star Terra is Australia size is approximately Australia size. It is in the northern hemisphere of the planet, and the it has the Maxwell Montes mountain also. Its height is 7 kilometers. It's very surpassing the Mount Everest also. And the Sapropetera is in the equatorial, alongside it in the equatorial. And its size is approximately South America says. Mostly Venus crater does no, we did not see the crater size not less than the 3 kilometers. Sparsely, rarely see the 3 kilometer size of the craters because if the craters will come, if the meteorites will come and hit the Venus, the atmospheric thick atmosphere mostly burn it and come with the small impact in the surface. Uh, and we say the layers of the Venus. Layers. The first one is core. Core is approximately equal to the Earth. It is 3,000 kilometers, more or less some 1,000 kilometers maybe here. In the thick atmosphere, mostly nickel, iron nickel is there, and its state is mm, some researcher told that it's a solid core. Some researchers told that it's a liquid. Some told that it's a solid and liquid mixed core, liquid core. But we did not get a perfect information. And the and next one I told that mantle also Venus mantle is 3000 kilometer thick. It's slowly maybe it's it very hot and more thick plastic. If we burn the plastic, how it moves with the viscosity of the plastic. Same like the mantle of the Venus, or mantle of the Venus also move like that. This uh, that is the reason the thick iron particles are moving down through the core, and the lighter elements of the some of the elements like oxygen, these elements will come from the silicon, broken down the ionic strong ionic strong ion strong ionic layers in the core. That is the reason that is the reason maybe the crust is reforming in some years, resurfacing itself. Maybe the reason of the pancake like structure in the Venus atmosphere. You can see it in the like coronae pancake like structure, and cutting its like mountains in some mountains also. Its crust thickness is just 10 to 20 kilometers thickness. It's reform itself in some particular time. Mm. Mostly the surface crust is mostly silicon, and the basalt is mostly from the volcanic rock. The moving tectonic plate is not in high, it's a stagnant lit, in just a stagnant lit. It's a particular period. The stagnant lit is also already I told that it's a reforming particular period. And I told that some of the physical structures. The radius is just same like Earth, 0.9499 Earth's surface, Earth's radius. Surface is also same, 0.902 Earth surface, and volume was also same, 0.857 Earths, and the mass is also same, 0.815 Earths also. Surface gravity is 8.8 meter per second, but escape velocity of the Venus is 10.3 kilometer per second. The temperature of the Venus is already 24 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is around 93 bars. We told the 93 bars. I already told that 93 bar means 93 times of Earth's atmosphere pressure. Okay, the video is over. Bye bye. See you. This is Salman from YouTube.